presentation on multiple alleles will enable the students to list definitions of codominance and multiple alleles, solve problems on the probability of ratios in multiple alleles. Let me explain what multiple allele means. Multiple alleles are a set of 3 or more different alleles controlling a trait. The most common example of multiple allele is blood type. In human, 3 alleles determine blood type, and these are the 3 alleles which will determine blood type in human. Blood type A and blood type B are dominant over blood type O. But blood type A and blood type B are codominant. Codominance results when one allele is not dominant over the other and both alleles are expressed equally. The 4 blood phenotypes are blood type A, blood type B, blood type AB, and blood type O. The genotypes are which is actually for blood type A. The genotypes actually stands for the blood type B. Genotypes stands for the blood type AB, and lowercase I stands for the blood type O. Examples of problem solving on multiple alleles. Predict the outcome between a man with type O blood and a woman that is heterozygous for blood type A. Blood type O will be crossed to blood type A and we will make a Punnett square to get the result. For the genotype and the phenotype, genotype we will have 50% heterozygous blood type A and 50% blood type O. For the phenotype, there will be 50% blood type A and 50% O. problem, a woman who has blood type AB has a child with blood type B. Give all the possible blood types of the father. Now the child blood type is given. Okay, so we will write the woman's blood type, which is blood type AB. And the child is blood type B. And we have here the two possible genotypes. And we will look for the possible blood type of the dad. Since the child is blood type B, so there's no possibility that there will be a blood type A. So we will not use this one. And we will be focused on blood type B. Okay. Okay, we will write down the possible blood type of the father. Okay, so can it be blood type, homozygous blood type A? Can it be that blood type? No, I don't think so. Because the child is blood type B, so it's not possible. Can it be heterozygous blood type A? Yes. Can it be blood type homozygous B? Yes. Can it be heterozygous blood type B? Yes. Can it be blood type AB? Yes. Or homozygous type O? Yes. Therefore, there are 4 possible blood types of the father, and these are blood type A, blood type B, blood type AB, and blood type O. A woman has blood type O and wanted to know who is the father of his child. Okay, the woman has a blood type O, lowercase I, and she has a child with blood type A. So the kid can have this or a lowercase I. So we will find out who the dad is. Now, DNA test is so expensive and blood test is cheap. So she wanted to sue who the real dad is. So we will find it out. So say for example that the child can have the dad number 1, which is blood type O, lowercase I, or then number 2 can be a blood type B, which can be this or either this. And that number 3 is blood type AB. So let's study, okay, these 3, and let's look and find out who among them is the real dad. If the woman is type O, lowercase I, so this is the only one, or this is the type of blood she can give to the child. So where will this come from? Of course, this will be coming from the dad. Okay, now looking back at the 3 dads, let us analyze who will be the real dad of the child. It's not that number 1. Okay, let's look at dad number 2. Okay, so it's also not dad number 2. And was it dad number 3? Yes, I think it's dad number 3. Dad number 3 is the father of the child. And for your activity on multiple alleles, solve the following problems.